in Delhi.
Every 2 minutes, one person dies due to air pollution in this country.
Scientists estimate that spending a day outside in these conditions is like smoking 50 cigarettes. When it hits, the nearly 30 million people here are forced to live in a toxic cloud. On the ground, a layer of dust covers the entire city, and in the air, a thick layer of pollution hides landmarks that are easy to see the rest of the year. More people means more cars, spreading dust and exhaust into the air. The most hazardous air pollution of almost anywhere. Every year, making the city's already dangerous and putting the lives of millions at risk.
सारा जो नाले में पानी आता है वो सब जमुना जी में आता है। पूरा हार्ड केमिकल होता है, वो दुनिया भर का मिक्सचर होके आता है। वो बदबू बहुत ज़्यादा प्रदूषण है।
As coronavirus quickly spreads around the world, it's forcing people to stay put.
Our government closed the cities, and then we realized that this was really, really dangerous.
Definitely feels like a movie. The streets are empty and all of the stores are empty.
The situation is very dramatic.
Your brain starts to function in another way to survive.
So it's very difficult because we are not free.
Now it's their eyes that tell us the story their faces can't. Eyes that are worried, tired, and feeling their own pain.
And one of the parts of our job is delivering bad news to patients.
लॉकडाउन की वजह से पूरा प्रदूषण जो थी, अच्छी सफाई व्यवस्था भी हो गई।